What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first video of trying Dunkin drinks, which is super exciting and kind of nerve-wracking, but I'm really excited to try some different Dunkin drinks for you guys. I know I look ratchet. I just got off of work and I just changed real quick, so I don't have any face makeup on, so excuse my face if it gets red. I have no AC in my car, blah blah blah. But for today's video, we're gonna be trying one of their new refreshers. Let me just go look at it real quick. It is the strawberry dragon fruit flavored refresher. So I'm super excited to try it. I've heard only good things about it, which makes me really excited to try it and even more excited to try it for you guys. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like. If you have any Dunkin requests, definitely tell me down below so I can try them in the future for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and let's go to Dunkin. Okay guys, so I have the strawberry dragon fruit drink here. It doesn't look appetizing, appealing to me. I don't know, colors are very important to me when it comes to like liquids. I don't know why. Let me turn my car off. I don't know why, but I feel like it'll taste better if it looks better. I don't understand why I think that way. I'm kind of just like, I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. I'm kind of nervous, but like I can smell it and it smells really good. So here we go. I hate that. Oh my god. This is not what I was expecting it to taste like at all. It literally, okay, it tastes like, you know when you smell a strawberry? That's what it tastes like, the smell of it. Not like the when you bite into it, but the outside of it with like all the seeds and everything. It tastes like that, which sounds weird and crazy, but it tastes like strawberry seeds would. And the smell of a strawberry. I don't really taste any dragon fruit in there, but it's weird. Like it doesn't taste sweet or anything. It's kind of like, I don't want to keep drinking it because it's that bad. Oh my gosh. I thought this was going to be so good, and I'm actually sad because I made sure I did my research before I tried the drink, and I watched some videos and I watched some TikToks about people talking about saying it's so good, and I'm like, where? Because you don't, this is like a 3 out of 10. I don't recommend. I don't like it. I mean, some people might not like the sugary taste of things. I like that. I love that. This doesn't taste good. This tastes so plain and I don't know, just not good to me. And that makes me really sad. It was only $2, so I was excited. I was hoping I would like it because it's a cheaper alternative than Starbucks. But personally, so far, Starbucks is winning for me. Don't like this. I won't get this again. I will never get this again. And that makes me sad. But if you've tried it, let me know what you think about it, because everybody has different opinions on it. So I'd love to know what you think of it, if you liked it, and I would love to know if you didn't like it as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you've learned anything from this video is I don't like this, it's disgusting, and maybe you shouldn't get it either. But it's only $2, so like you might as well try it, you know what I mean? So thanks for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.